Sweden has declared COVID-19 is over. Did you know that?
Oh,
Yeah, Sweden, they just said it's over.
I'm happy for them.
No, it's over for everybody, Kirk.
Oh, I'm happy for everyone then.
Yeah, Sweden just told you it's over. No, I'm kidding. Of course, it's local. Situations are different in different communities. They have declared it. It's in its new phase now, which is not a huge risk, according to them. Denmark did this recently. Now Sweden's on board. Very close geographic region over there. So not really much of a surprise. Sweden has had a totally different approach to this whole
From the
situation
get-go,
from
right?
the jump. They're like, let's everybody get it and see what happens.
Yeah.
That's how
play it out.
that's how their city council meeting went.
Yeah.
Dave Chappelle showed up. He's like, absolutely not. That was my Dave Chappelle impression. Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Sweden's government, which throughout the pandemic has opted against lockdowns in favor of voluntary approach, the remaining restrictions effectively declaring the pandemic over as vaccines and the less severe Omicron variant have cushioned severe cases and deaths. As we know, this pandemic, I would say it's over. And that's the Minister of Health, Lena Hallengren. It's not over, but as we know it in terms of quick changes and restrictions, it is. In other words, removing all restrictions associated with it. Swedish hospitals are still feeling the strain. However, with around 2,200 people with COVID-19 requiring hospital care, about the same as during the third wave in the spring of 2021. We should have a little more patience. Oh, this is the opposing point of view, by the way. Some virologist over there who Reuters asked, they said, hey, what about this? Is this a good idea? Said, hey, we should be a little more patient. We should take a couple weeks. But as you may have noticed in your personal life, guys, just being out in the world, as I know you are to a certain extent here and there, patience with this topic is pretty slim at the moment.
Yeah.
And so you can't, ignoring that could be problematic as well.
Yeah.
In other ways. So it's everybody's weighing this thing out right now, as far as restrictions versus whatever's happening in the public sphere.
Yeah, we're seeing it firsthand.
Here in Ontario, right? You got I believe, was it not today? Did Ford not go?
Yeah.
Did anyone watch it?
Yeah, state of emergency.
But he said, hey, are you going to ease up here pretty soon? He didn't say right now.
No,
yes?
You can sense it. Almost like you can sense the springtime is coming. You can sense that.
No, but he actually said the words that we're working to get rid of the vaccine passport. Like he said the words people wanted to hear.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I'm fairly certain. And 4 provinces did something similar. So
wow.
Stuff is changing. Absolutely. You can look into it, whatever. Go watch the whole thing. It's he's reading a teleprompter. It's kind of tough to.
Oh, okay.
Nobody. But anyway.
But good for Sweden.
You're happy for Sweden.
I'm happy for the people of Sweden to be happy and do their thing. And I'm just happy about that in general. Like if they can declare the pandemic over, good. It doesn't mean COVID's over. It just means that their pandemic is over. Like they have it controlled or something, you'd hope.
So you believe Sweden?
What?
Big Sweden guy.
Oh, Sweden.
Shout out Sweden. Anybody
Shout
from
out
Sweden in
Sweden.
here? Shout out Sweden.
Shout out Sweden.
All right, Sweden, moving on.
Good luck in hockey.